Hello students, this is Yashodhari. In this video, we learn how the DNS will be work. Okay, for that I am taking a PC and a server and one switch. Okay, now take the connection with the help of a automatic chosen cable to make the connection to the PC to the switch to your server. Okay, I am giving the address for the server, that is the address for 192.168.1.1. For a PC I am giving the address of 192.168.1.2. Okay, now you have to click on the server, go to the first you have to give the IP address. Then what is the IP address that we have taken? That is the 192.168.1.1. This is for your server. For DNS server also give the same address which one we are assigning for the our server. Okay, this much is clear. Now go to the PC. You have to configure the IP address for the PC as well. Our address of a PC I given 192.168.1.2 and subnet mask will be given defaultly. And what is our server address is 192.168.1.1. Okay, this is a configuration. Mean what is the DNA now? Go to the click on the server, go to the service. Here the services are listed out. Here HTTP DNS. Now we want a DNS. What is the DNS meaning? It's a domain name server or a system. We giving the address or a value of the name of your domain name. For example, we searching in a Google, that is a www.google.com. This is your domain name. The what is the address they having? We don't know, because address having the a classes based address. Suppose we are here I am giving a 192.168.1.1 for a IP address of your domain name server. What is the domain name you are given? I am giving the example of a www.google.com. Okay, this is your domain name and this is the address of a domain. Click on the add. Okay, this is done. Now here we are taking the HTTP, means we are want to transferring the protocol. This is a HTTP, nothing but a hypertext transport protocol. Click on the on and go to the edit. Here the default message are there. We delete this one and type hello everyone, hello friends. I am typing the hello friends. Okay, click on save. Hello friend. Okay, click on save. It asking there is already a file with the same name, override. You click on yes. You have to override this one. Okay, now go to the PC. Here go to the web browser. Now here URL. What is our URL means? What is the domain name? How we have to search with the domain name? That is we given a www.com. So click on go. The message will be displaying. This is how the domain name works. Means we don't remember the IP address, right? So every time every address we can't remember instead of a name. That's why we giving the a name of a domain that is specified. It's maybe you have to checking for the Canva. Then you know the address of a Canva? No, but we know the domain name. That is called a domain name server. This is help to recognize the easily recognition to the user. This is how the domain name server will be configured in a Cisco package. If you want, then click on the take the another PC and want to communicate with our server. Then how you have to do that? Simply you have to assign the address, go to the desktop, configure the IP address 192.168.1. Here 3 we are given because IP address should be or differ from each and every system. What is the server here? Server address is same. Okay. Now want to ping a message of your, go to the command prompt and type ping of which we want to communicate with a PC1, that is 192.168.1.2. Okay, this is they are communicating, means server is connected to the all the PCs. This is how you have to check the domain name. I hope this is clear and it will be useful. I hope it will useful your academic. Thank you.